When I closed the first file, I thought the story ended there. But then I found another one, and this one was even stranger. There were no startups, no AI companies, no cryptocurrencies, just 5 ordinary products. Products that most people would never look at twice. Yet someone behind this report believed these products could become million-dollar businesses. And one of these ideas had margins so high that I had to check the numbers twice. So let's open the next file. The Custom Shoe Studio. This was the first idea, not just football cleats. An entire business built around personalized footwear, sneakers, cleats, kids' shoes, all completely customized. Names, numbers, favorite cartoon characters, superheroes, unique colors, hand-painted details. The report contained one interesting sentence. People don't want the same shoes as everyone else. And that's where the opportunity lies. You buy ready-made shoes, you transform them, and suddenly you have a product that nobody else owns. Machines, UV printer, heat press machine, laser engraver, airbrush station. Production cost, $35 to $80. Selling price, $150 to $500. Sales channels, Shopify, Instagram, TikTok, football academies, sneaker communities. Honestly, when I saw these numbers, I thought this would be the most interesting idea in the report. I was wrong. The cake in a can business. Cake in a can. Yes, cake in a can. When I first read this idea, I literally stopped. But then I saw the photos and the numbers. Mini cakes, different flavors, premium packaging, gift sets. The report stated, people love convenience when it feels premium. Machines, can seaming machine, semi-automatic filling machine, labeling machine. Production cost, $1 to $2 per can. Selling price, $6 to $12 per can. Sales channels, online stores, gift shops, vending machines, corporate gifts. But the next idea was even more interesting. Because it doesn't just sell a product, it sells recurring revenue. The perfume cartridge business. By the way, if you're finding these ideas interesting, consider subscribing. There are still more files to open, and the next idea might be the most unexpected one yet. This was one of the smartest ideas in the entire file. Small, replaceable fragrance cartridges for homes, cars, offices. The report contained a simple sentence. The real money isn't in the device, it's in the refill. And suddenly, everything made sense. The customer doesn't buy once, they come back again, and again, and again. Machines, semi-automatic liquid filling machine, capsule filling machine, labeling machine, heat shrink packaging machine. Production cost, 50 cents to $1. Selling price, $5 to $15. Sales channels, Shopify, Amazon, subscription models, gift boxes. But then I reached an idea that seemed to belong to a completely different industry. The miniature home business. Mini houses, mini restaurants, mini offices. For collectors, for gifts, for decoration. The report contained only one sentence. Adults never stop playing. And maybe that's exactly why this market keeps growing. Machines, CO2 laser cutter, CNC router, UV printer. Production cost, $10 to $30. Selling price, $80 to $500. Sales channels, Etsy, collector communities, Amazon handmade. And then I reached the final idea, and this one had more notes and highlights than any other page. The custom action figure business. Imagine turning yourself into an action figure, or your child, or even your dog. It sounds crazy, but people pay a surprising amount of money for products like this. The report contained one final sentence. People love products that make them the hero. And then I understood. You're not selling a toy, you're selling an emotion, a memory, a story. Machines, 3D scanner, resin 3D printer, UV printer. Production cost, $10 to $20. Selling price, $100 to $300. Sales channels, Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, gift markets. And those were 5 more ideas from this strange file. But the deeper I went into these documents, the stranger they became. The next file contains a product that literally every person on Earth uses. And according to the notes in the report, nobody has turned it into the brand it could potentially become. If you want to see part 3, subscribe and leave a comment. And don't forget to check out the free ROI calculator in the description below, because the next idea might be the biggest surprise yet.